Hey there friends, it is me, HLModTech, and I'm back with another episode in our Tested series. If you were watching last week, I snagged a sweet new gaming PC from Amazon Prime. It is a CyberPower PC, and I'm using it right now to record this video. I wanted to be able to game with it, so I got myself a sweet gaming headset as well. Alrighty friends, so let's run through some specifications. First things first, I'm in the basement right below where the family sleeps, so I'm trying to be a little quieter. That's why I like the microphone so close to me so that it can pick it up and you can still hear what I'm saying. In the controls, you can see they show the little controller here. This has the headphone volume and the microphone volume, so you can adjust it on the fly, and it's got the on-off for the microphone. Cool little LED so that you can tell where it is if it's at night and you don't have your lights on. It has a built-in 7-in-1 surround card, so it is digital, and you can add a driver so that you get the 7-in-1. Convenient control, which I just showed you. This adjusts where it wants. I don't want to mess up the audio, so I'm not going to mess with it. Cool little LED lights if you want that, and shows that it's got adjustable headphones, and these are nice, and they're comfortable on your ears because of the memory foam. Alright friends, so I'm going to take you to a game. This is called Besiege, and it is a fun building game. You have all kinds of blocks that you can design things with, and they give you places that you're supposed to destroy. So that's my one job, is to destroy that place. I'm going to make a simple little vehicle, and it's a lot of fun to explore what you can build, but I'm going to try and do this fast for you. These are called braces, and they add strength. Click and hold, click and hold. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. So that's a pretty strong vehicle. I'm going to move over to the weapons because they're kind of fun. And I'm going to add a drill. And then let's also add a shrapnel cannon. We'll put that up here. Let's go to the wheels. And we're going to add the large powered wheels. And then for this first one, all you do is you hit play, and those wheels are automatically able to be driven with the arrow keys. I did not give it a way to turn, but I don't care for this one. I just need to come in and destroy it. So this is fun. But I'm not here to tell you about this. I'm here to talk to you about the headphones. The audio in this is nuts. I've never had it this good. I was playing it usually off PC speakers. And right now I can hear the sheep all around me, which you probably can. And I'm here to say that these are really sweet. The only problem is I'm worried about how loud I'm talking with people sleeping above me. Alrighty friends, so let's change our steering so that we can drive a little bit cooler. I'm going to take this and put it on the number 7 on the number pad. And I'm going to take its reverse and put it on number 4. And then I'm going to go to this wheel and do the same thing, so it's got 7 and 4. Then I'm going to take this wheel and I'm going to make it 8 and 5. So if you're looking at your keypad, those are right above each other, and I'll be able to control both wheels so I can do reverse. Then I'm going to do that same thing on this last one, 8 and 5. Now when we hit play, if I do 7, you can see those wheels go. If I do 7 and 8, those wheels go. Let's do seed and launch the cannon, which just sounded awesome. And then let's drive through and take out a couple sheep. I got reverse. Notice my vehicle's not coming apart, which is nice. I'm going to see if I can track that dude down over there. Oh, that's not very friendly, but the game is not about friendly. Besieged is a attack game. One sheep. Lock those wheels up. There we go. Game over. 100% taken out. Alright friends, so I'm telling you, the sound on these is incredible. Hard to believe they were only 30 bucks. nice that they plug in USB. I'm able to record my videos with them. Totally epic, and I am super pleased. Friends, if you found the video useful, please hit that like button. If you got a question, comment, or suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit the notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a brand new video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.